Somebody's crying. It's testing your blood pressure. 104/71. Is that right?
You can tell.
When you hear the beeping noise, you can press that button. Okay? Only when you hear it, okay? You ready?
Only when you hear the beep, okay, buddy?
Here we go. If you hear it, you're gonna push that button.
Did you hear the beep?
No.
Okay.
You hear anything?
Do you hear the beep?
Do you hear the beep?
Yeah.
Push the
You
button.
have to push the button if you hear it.
Ow! It's not gonna do anything. Just push the
Can
button.
you let me know when you hear something? If you don't want to push that button?
I want to hear something.
Okay, want to hear something?
Can you hear it?
Okay, raise your hands if you hear the beep. Okay. Raise your hands if you hear the beep. Okay, very good. You raise your hand. Oh, very good.
Raise your hand if you hear the beep.
Raise your hands again.
If you hear it?
Okay, very good. When you hear a beep, raise your hand. Very good. Good job.
You look so cute.
You want to take it off?
We're almost done.
Almost
You just
done.
have to raise your hand when you
Okay,
hear it.
very good. Keep raising your hands when you hear a beep. Very good. Good job. Mommy's happy.
Are we done?
Almost.
Can you hear it? You have 2 more to go.
2 more.
Raise
Two
your
more.
hand if you hear it.
Raise your hand when you hear it. Okay, good job.
Raise your hand when you hear it.
Good job. Okay, let me have this. Look up to your eye. Just look out your right eye.